I started Pappy Barbecue, been a little over a decade ago now.
It's a specialty product. We don't do this on our menu, but what we do is we offer this for the holidays, for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for New Year's. Eating a raw ham, uncured. You don't want to have anything done to it once you get it. You want to trim it down nice and lean, just leave a little bit of a fat cap to it. We take a sweet pickle relish and we marinate it overnight in that sweet pickle relish. We're going to come with a nice ham spice. It's got cloves in it, it's got cinnamon in it. It also has ginger in it, it has nutmeg in it. It has a lot of brown sugar, so we're looking for sweet. It's got a little bit of cayenne in it just for a bite. Yeah, anywhere you got openings in the cavity of the meat, just rub it in. Pull it back, find all the spots and get it deep in there. It's dry rub. You're going to put your dry rub up. You're going to come back and you're going to put brown sugar on it. Just rub the brown sugar in it. For 12 pieces of slab bacon, I'm going to make a blanket over the top of it. And once I do that, I'm going to come back and dry rub spice that bacon again. Then I'm going to take brown sugar and I'm going to coat it again. This is ready for the grill. 250 degrees is the temperature you want to bring your smoker to. Don't cook it any hotter because it's going to suck the moisture out of it. It's a 3-hour cook at 250 for a 6-pound ham. Right about 2.5 hours, start checking it. You want to have an internal temperature of 138 degrees. And rest for about 15-20 minutes. It'll come up to above 140 and you're ready to slice it. We'll pull this off, we're going to cut it up and sample it for you, and you can really see what we've got. And like I say, it feeds you for 3 or 4 days. It's a nice product.